A senior and named partner of Kapunan and Castillo Law Office said the previous hearing must be carefully reviewed, pointing out apparent inconsistencies in what was shown on screen during the proceedings compared to the statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth of Vice President Sara Duterte. She noted that the information displayed during the hearing appeared different from the official SALN documents being referred to. She added that the Vice President should personally attend the hearing to properly clarify the issues raised.
Yeah, dapat talaga. Kasi lagi nating sinasabi, the figures don't lie. No? Sinasabi nila na may bias daw ang House Committee on Justice. Kumukuha sila ng mga witnesses na nagbibigay ng opinion or hearsay or perjured witness. Kasi may kaso daw yung isang madriagang witness na yan. No? Pero ngayon, hindi na nila masasabing nagsisinungaling ang ebidensya because these are documentary evidence from official sources which are government agencies, di ba? Kailangan talaga sagutin nila